Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to draw a watermelon sketch and color it in. Get out the black marker. Start by drawing a semicircle. Draw a thickness. Then the side of the watermelon. The flesh of the watermelon. Draw another one. Round and whole watermelon. Rattan. Draw the leaves of the watermelon again. Watermelon curved pattern. Now the simple pattern is complete. Let's start stroking and bolding. It's done. Now let's start coloring. Red color. Pornographic. Yellow olive. Light green. Light green. Green. Blue-green. Yellow-brown. Our work is done. It's beautiful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.